Hey, I'm trying to replace my alternator in a 2009 Jeep Patriot 2.4 engine. What I did is take out the power steering pump, pull it out. I didn't disconnect the hoses or anything, so I don't have no leaks. And take out the bolt for the bracket for the engine mount. Then I took out the two idler pulleys that go underneath. One of them goes right here, and the other one, it goes over here. And then underneath the engine, that's another engine mount. That one, just gotta take out the two bolts from here, and that allows you to lift up the engine so you can get the alternator out. And I think it was easier for me that way. I don't know if that'll work for you. Thank you.